Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to view your YouTube recap on desktop. So if you're using a PC, laptop, MacBook, or Chromebook and can't find your recap, just follow along step by step and I'll show you where it is. All right, let's dive in. First, open any web browser and head over to youtube.com. Make sure you're logged in to your YouTube account. Once you're signed in, look at the menu on the left side of the screen and click on You. At the very top of this section, just above your watch history, you should see your YouTube recap. Click on it and your recap will start playing automatically. Now, if you don't see the recap here yet, don't worry. That usually means YouTube hasn't released it for your account just yet. Just keep checking the You section and it should appear once it's available. You can also go directly to youtube.com/recap in your browser and that will take you straight to your recap page. I'll leave a direct link in the description as well. One important thing to know, you don't need YouTube Premium to get a recap. However, if you're using a YouTube Kids account, recaps aren't available for those accounts. And that's it. That's how you view your YouTube recap on desktop. If this helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials.